This 2025 Jayco North.382 FLRB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 43 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front living area, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco North.382 FLRB is 15,677 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.